All right, today is day 40 of my 100 days of Keto Chow. So I'm 4/10 of the way done. That is 2/5. Making math. Let's see. I just pulled all of the beef tallow out of the crock pot from rendering out the cuttings off the brisket that I did yesterday. Looks like I got about 3 cups worth. Those should make some amazing wings in the deep fryer in 60 days. Anyway, we got my wife invited some friends over for dinner tonight, so I threw a bunch of southern style pork ribs into the Instant Pot. We'll see how quickly those get done. It's supposed to take like an hour. So anyway, not much else going on. The 100 days is still going fine. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you tomorrow. Short one, right? Bye.